Sometimes innovation can't be measured by what is visible on the surface. By moving a power station underground, tunneling engineers on the John Hart Generating Replacement Station exceeded the owner's requirements and enhanced the surrounding park and trail system along the Campbell River. Located in British Columbia, Canada's first public-private partnership, or P3 hydroelectric project, replaces the original power station built in the 1940s. Its innovative design eliminates the existing powerhouse, 2 of the 3 surge towers, the third is repurposed into a communication tower, and 1.8 kilometers of wood stave and steel penstocks, currently above ground. In 2014, owner BC Hydro signed a P3 agreement with InPower BC, an SNC Lavalin single-purpose company, to design, build, and partially finance the project. The P3 agreement also included provisions for a joint venture subcontract with Frontier Kemper for the tunneling works and SNC Lavalin Aecon for the balance of the civil works. The replacement includes a new intake structure, power tunnel, underground power station, tail race tunnel, and water bypass facility within the powerhouse that will provide constant water flows to downstream habitats even if the generating units go offline. Comparing alternative schemes, the SNC Lavalin innovative design was the only one to propose an underground powerhouse and proved to be the most economical of all the schemes considered. The design eliminated the need for an extensive steel-lined section of the new 2.1-kilometer power tunnel. Subcontractor Frontier Kemper, using the drill and blast method, excavated the large powerhouse cavern some 60 to 100 meters below the surface in 18 months. Another innovation places the power tunnel alignment under and away from the dam, and as far upstream and into the bedrock as practical, to reduce uplift from the tunnel and limit risk to the 70-year-old dam. A primary liner of rock bolts, lattice girders, and shotcrete was integrated with the secondary reinforced concrete liner to form a composite liner that will withstand a 1 in 10,000 year earthquake event. The combination liner was also integrated with the intake maintenance gate structure to ensure the stability of the existing concrete dam. 3D modeling using drilling data from the surface through the face of the excavation and from inside the powerhouse and surge chamber revealed a path around a buried channel of weak rock encountered in the main access tunnel. This allowed the project to stay on schedule. By the end of construction in 2017, crews had removed about 300,000 cubic meters of rock, installed 2,730 tons of rebar, 500 tons of structural steel, 15,000 cubic meters of shotcrete, and 45,000 cubic meters of concrete. Congratulations to InPower BC, an SNC Lavalin single-purpose company, BC Hydro, and the entire team for the successful completion of the John Hart Generating Replacement Station, winner of the TAC 2018 Canadian Innovation Project of the Year.